Hi, teachers. This is part two of Britannica School, and this is specifically for you. Now, when you log into Britannica School from Clever, there's a section called In the News. And if you're looking for something short, sweet, that kids can read, In the News is great because they can play, they have word of the day, and then they have a section called Did You Know? So every week, this section changes, and it's a short article about something that the kids will be really engaged in. And this week it happens to be cats for whatever reason it happens to be for. So there's a lot of information in here about cats. There's a word of the day, Pharaoh, as you can see. And this is like one of those activities that's short, sweet, to the point that the kids can engage in while, if they're done with their work early, for example. So this is In the News in Britannica School. Now, we're going to go back to the main page, scroll down the page. Every month, there is another area that always pops in, and it's just anything that deals with history. Also, there's new interactives. I'm going to click on one so you can see the example of what I'm talking about here. And there's interactives on a lot of topics across the curriculum. So, things that you might want to use to enhance or engage kids into a little bit deeper into your lesson is there. There's a video of the week that changes, of course, every week, and you can find a lot of videos on these topics as well as there's a biography section, which I really like. These are biographies about people that we don't hear about every day. So it's something that's very interesting that kids can get involved with. And there's several pages of this that you will find. Of course, any holiday will be highlighted on the main page. Hispanic American Heritage Month is there. And then there's a Did You Know section, comparing and contrasting countries and territories, World Atlas, and primary sources. Believe it or not, in this section, they have the first inaugural speeches, and they have the first inaugural speeches from George Washington all the way up to Obama. Now, for whatever reasons, they do not have Trump and Biden's first speech listed in here. I don't know, but um, for a history lesson, this could be something that kids could engage in, in the near future. So that's another area that is worth taking a look at. Now, the next section we're going to do is go back to our three tiled section at the top there where you have the three bars, and you go into my content. And as I showed you in our previous video for the kids, you'll see that I have saved work that I have been working on with the kid with different teachers or myself. There are lesson plans in here as well, that you can grab information for yourself that could be very helpful to you. You can use a filter, and I see that I'm having a problem with this filter here. Now, this is a great opportunity to bring this to your attention. If you see that one of the apps in Clever is not functioning as it should, just shoot me a quick email, and I will have my director contact the app manager so that they can clear up the problems so that it will be fixed and usable by students and teachers as well. So moving on. um, for educators, there's a lot of material here. There's curriculum standards that are aligned to DC standards here. Only thing you have to do is to scroll down to the DC section under Washington, DC, and you will find curriculum standards K through 12 under different content areas and grade levels. Here I'm looking at mathematics. Yes, mathematics. You will find information here that's aligned to a particular topic and article. And I think this article is on Karl Popper. So if you're a mathematician, you know who that is. All right. And let's look at maybe humanities, world languages. Yeah. No, let's look at health and PE first. Seventh grade. And you see there's more that pops up: adolescence, aging, um, let's see, reflex glands, Graves' disease. Let's look at another area: world languages and modern world languages, connections. So there's a lot that's here. It's just a matter of sitting down and just perusing the site. I just suggest that you just take your time, especially as we go into second quarter. And this will be a very helpful tool as you work on your unit plans for second quarter. So if you need any help, just reach out. Bye now.